Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm actually about 50 miles due west of downtown Louisville in Battletown, Kentucky to do a walk around on this very unique, rebuilt 1964 Yellowstone. Some people would call this a canned ham, but it's pretty much all restored from the ground up. This is going to be the first one I've done, so I'm going to try to justify all the things that have been done to it. From the ground up, totally new frame. It's all been broke down and totally rebuilt back up from the bottom up, and it was done by Amish, is what the owners are wanting me to let y'all know. It's all done by the Amish, all the rebuilds on this, and this is going to be the third one the current owner has done. So it does have new torsion axles, new tires, new wheels. Looks like the wheels have Easy Lube axles on them. Look at that. Let's show that off. Get up underneath here. Looks like it's all powder coated. Look at that. Let's go ahead and go inside, and then I'll work my way around on the outside. All the walls, everything's been broke down to the studs, to the 2x2 studs, and all rebuilt and all new insulation. This is what the wife does. She likes to do this. This is her hobby, is restoring these old 60s campers. Kind of give you an idea of the floor plan, which only probably take a couple of seconds, and then I'll go into a little bit more detail. And these old ones of this size, they said they didn't come with bathrooms. They usually had a little tray or something that had like a little porta potty thing going on, like you see in a pop-up. But this is pretty much it. Okay, all electricals, all new. And the owners told me the outside electrical is 12 volt. Nice little vintage refrigerator here. And this does have an AC system on this. Little window unit AC. All new outlets. Again, all new everything pretty much. Nice little vent. All the flooring's all new. And yeah, this makes into a bed. Looks like you just bring it down, and I guess it lays down. So it's a jackknife sleeper sofa. Definitely sleep one adult comfortably on this. Yeah. Mike, does this camper have a furnace on it?
No.
So, yeah, you just put take a little space heater with you is what I would probably, yeah, little ceramic space heater. Nice little bike rack on the back here. And again, all that frame, everything, all the frame is all custom. Nice Yellowstone badge there. All new brake lights. Look at that. This is definitely a first for me. Definitely the oldest camper I've ever done. All new marker lights. And all your power coming to it. It's a 30 amp service, and your actual power converter box inside, the breaker box, if you will, it's all brand new. And the owner says it pulls like a dream, and I asked what the weight was on it, and I was shocked. He says it might weigh 1,000 pounds. So it's pretty light. You could definitely pull this with a small half-ton truck easily. Yeah. There you go. Oh, look at that new diamond plate. All right. I think I got everything. I'm sure I didn't, because the owner, his wife has done everything to it. All the upgrades, and had, like I say, the Amish redo all the inside. But yeah, all restored from the ground up. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You always deal directly with the owner, or you can call 502-645-3124. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.